Retirement might feel far away, but it's never too early to start planning. A traditional IRA can help you save on taxes today, and it helps build a comfortable retirement tomorrow. Let's see how it works. Imagine earning money and keeping more of it. That's one of the great things about a traditional IRA. You get to reduce your taxes now, and you get to watch your money grow over time. It's a win-win. What is a traditional IRA? It's a powerful tool in your financial toolkit. It stands for Individual Retirement Account. This account is specifically designed to help you save for retirement in a tax-advantaged way. It's like a special savings account designed just for retirement. You contribute money and it grows over time. But here's the superhero part. Contributions you make can reduce your taxes now. This means you get an immediate tax break. Plus, your money grows tax-deferred, meaning you don't pay taxes on the earnings until retirement. This allows your investments to compound more effectively. Think of it as a way to keep more of your hard-earned money. The more you save, the more you benefit. You put money into your IRA, and a portion of that money might be deducted from your taxable income depending on your eligibility. This can be a significant advantage. That means you could owe less in taxes. Lowering your taxable income can have a big impact on your overall tax bill. It's like getting a bonus just for saving for your future. With a traditional IRA, you're not just saving money. You're also making a smart financial move that pays off now and in the future. Making your money work. The IRA Advantage. Here's how it works. You put money into your traditional IRA. This money can be invested in stocks, bonds, and other investments. Your money grows tax-deferred. This means you don't pay taxes on any earnings until you withdraw the money in retirement. Let's say you invest $1,000 and it earns $100. Normally, you'd pay taxes on that $100 profit. But with a traditional IRA, you don't pay taxes on that $100 until retirement. This lets your money grow faster over time. The benefits of a traditional IRA are amazing. Not only does it offer immediate tax advantages, but it also sets the stage for long-term financial growth and security. First, you might get a tax deduction for your contributions. This means that the money you put into your IRA can reduce your taxable income for the year, potentially lowering your tax bill. This can save you money now. Imagine the relief of seeing a smaller tax bill and knowing that you're also investing in your future. Second, your money grows tax-deferred. This is a powerful advantage because it allows your investments to compound over time without being eroded by taxes each year. This means your investments have more potential to grow. The longer your money stays invested, the more it can benefit from the power of compounding. Third, you'll pay taxes on your withdrawals in retirement. This is often when people are in a lower tax bracket, which can result in significant tax savings. By deferring taxes until retirement, you can potentially pay less in taxes overall. Imagine retiring and having a nice nest egg to enjoy. The financial freedom to pursue hobbies, travel, or simply relax without financial stress is invaluable. A traditional IRA can help make that dream a reality. By taking advantage of the tax benefits and growth potential, you can build a substantial retirement fund. With tax savings now and the potential for growth over time, it's a powerful tool for building a secure retirement. Start planning today to ensure a comfortable and financially stable future. Setting a yearly savings goal is crucial for your financial health and future security. It helps you stay on track and ensures you are making the most of your retirement accounts. There are limits on how much you can contribute to a traditional IRA each year. These limits are set by the IRS and can change annually, so it's important to stay informed. For 2023, if you are under 50, you can contribute up to $6,500. This amount allows younger individuals to start building their retirement nest egg early. If you are 50 or older, you can contribute up to $7,500. This higher limit is designed to help those closer to retirement age catch up on their savings. This catch-up provision helps you save even more as you get closer to retirement. It's a valuable opportunity to boost your retirement funds during your peak earning years. It's important to contribute as much as you can, as often as you can. Regular contributions, no matter how small, can make a big difference over time. Even small, regular contributions can add up to a significant amount over time, thanks to the power of compounding. Compounding allows your investments to grow exponentially, as the interest earned also earns interest. Remember, time is your greatest ally when it comes to saving for retirement. The earlier you start, the more you can take advantage of compounding growth, setting yourself up for a more secure and comfortable retirement.